Have you ever looked at the people around you and thought, these are my people? Not necessarily the ones you share a last name with, but the ones you share your heart with. We often hear that you can't choose your family, but I'm here to tell you that's only half the story. The other half, the most beautiful half, is the family you choose for yourself. Life is a journey, right? Along the way, we meet so many people. Some are like passing ships in the night, while others drop anchor in the harbor of our lives and decide to stay. These are the friends who become our siblings, the mentors who become our parental figures, and the partners who become our everything. This is the family of the heart, the one we build piece by piece, choice by choice. But think about it. Who's on your speed dial for both the best and worst news? Who shows up with a tub of ice cream after a bad day, no questions asked? Who cheers the loudest for your smallest victories? These incredible souls are the bricks and mortar of our chosen family. They see us, they get us, and they love us, not because they have to, but because they want to. Building this kind of family isn't always easy. It takes vulnerability. It means opening your heart and risking getting hurt. It means being there for someone else, even when it's inconvenient. It's about shared laughter that makes your sides ache and shared tears that cleanse the soul. It's about creating a tapestry of memories woven with threads of trust, respect, and unconditional support. My chosen family is a vibrant, crazy, and wonderful mix of people from all walks of life. They are my confidants, my cheerleaders, and my safety net. They've taught me that family isn't just about blood. It's about who you're willing to bleed for. It's about who holds your hand and says, I'm with you, no matter what storm you're facing. This idea doesn't diminish the importance of our biological families at all. For many, they are our first and most important support system. But embracing the concept of chosen family expands our capacity for love and connection. It allows us to create our own tribe, a community that reflects our values and nurtures our growth. It's a testament to the fact that love knows no bounds, and that the human heart has an infinite capacity to create bonds that are just as strong, if not stronger, than genetics. So today I want to encourage you to look around, acknowledge and celebrate the family you've chosen. Reach out to that friend who feels like a sister, that neighbor who's always got your back. Let them know how much they mean to you, because at the end of the day, the people we surround ourselves with, the family we consciously choose to build and nurture, are the ones who truly make our house a home and our life a masterpiece. They are our anchor, our compass, and our greatest treasure. Thank you so much for spending this time with me. If this resonated with you, I'd love to hear about your chosen family in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more conversations from the heart. See you next time.